Downtown's dead without you. Girls walk by and friends say hi, and Friday night it might as well be just another Tuesday night without you. As long as you're still in my head, there ain't no way that I can paint a ghost town red. Downtown's dead. Downtown's dead. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. This is a Sam Hunt one. This is called Downtown's Dead. It's a great song. I love it. I always have ever since I first heard it. Thanks for requesting it. If you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to get to them as quickly as I can and as best as I can. Okay? Also, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And please just hit like. All right? I just appreciate it. I like seeing those thumbs up. All right. But yeah, thanks so much for everyone who has subscribed recently. All right, let's get into it. So you're only going to use four chords for this song. It's in standard tuning, and you have a capo on the 4th fret. All right. So you're going to do C. All right, C, and then I use this G, but you can use either one. Then you do G. All right, then you're going to do D, and then E minor. Maybe you can hear it already. Okay. The city's so in style. All you see for miles are people spilling. Okay, just like that. So the chord progression. Sorry, the chord progression is like that for most of the song. The strumming pattern I'm going to show you now for the verse. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, that's gonna be for most of the song. I'm gonna show you here real quick. So you're gonna start with C. The city's. So you're gonna do down. The city's so in style. Okay, you kind of stop, like take a little bit of a rest on after style. And style is where you do G. Style. All is D. All you see for miles are people. People is E minor. People spilling in a C, in and out of cars. Okay, so halfway through cars is where you do G. Cars. Man, I love these bars, making a killing. So man is D. Man, I love these bars, are making is E minor, making a killing everywhere I go. It looks like the place to be. So everywhere is C. Everywhere I go, and go is G, so that's easy. Go, looks like the place to be. I see people, okay, I see people is C. People that I know is G, no. And I feel like there's no one here but me. So, no is G, and then you do no one, alright, no one is D. No one here but me. And then you're gonna mute. Then you can do that one a little bit hard. I think that sounds good. Me. Cause downtown's. Okay, then you're gonna just go back into it and do C. Downtown's dead without you. Now the difference here, the chord progression is the same. The strumming pattern is the same. The difference is you're getting louder, alright, when you do the verse, or sorry, when you're doing the chorus. So the verses you're gonna be a lot softer like I was doing. Alright, when you go to the chorus, you're going to do downtown is C. So I'm going to show you where you do all the chords for the chorus and then the bridge next. But you're going to want to do it a little bit louder for this part, okay? Downtown's dead without you. Girls walk by and friends say hi. And Friday night it might as well be just another Tuesday. See how that goes? So it's downtown's a C. Downtown's dead. Dead is G. Dead without you. Okay, after you're doing D, E minor. Girls, okay, girls is C. Girls walk by and friends is G. Friends say hi and Friday night is D. Night it might as well, let's see, might as well be just another Tuesday. So I skipped the E minor, but the E minor is going to be on well. Well, just another Tuesday. Tuesday is C. Tuesday night. Night is G. Night without you. D. E minor. As long as C. Long as you're still in. In is G. In my head there ain't no way. Way is D. Way that I can paint a ghost. Ghost is E minor. Ghost town red, downtown's dead. So I would do that. I would do C on down, downtown's dead, and dead I would do G, and then mute, and then you're just gonna sing it again. Downtown's dead. And then you'll strum through once. Or you can do it twice, either way. And then you're gonna know the second verse, okay? And then you do the chorus again, and then for the next bridge, for the bridge, you're gonna do E minor, D, C, G. Okay, so it's gonna be free drinks, bright lights, what am I doing with my life? Okay, I quit, I've had enough of this. Okay, so you're gonna do E minor, and then do free drinks, E minor's on free, free drinks, drinks is D, drinks, bright lights, okay, lights is C, lights, what am I doing, doing is G, doing with my life. Then you're going to do E minor before you say okay. Okay. Okay, so when you do the K part of it, you're going to do D. Okay, I quit. Quit is C. Quit. I've had enough. Enough is G. Enough of this. Then you do E minor. Cause people, so you do E minor before cause. Cause people are losing. Losing is D. Losing their minds. So after minds you do C. Minds can't get you out of my head. Okay, of my head is going to be G. Of my head. Then E minor. I'm calling it a night. So you're going to do D on calling it. Calling it a night. I'm crawling back. So I'm is C. I'm crawling back. Back is G. Back to your bed. Cause downtown's dead without you. Okay, so the bridge is just E minor, D, C, G, 4 times in a row, okay? And then you go back to the rest of it. That's how you play the whole song, all right? Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. If there's other songs you'd like to learn or anything, let me know in the comments. It's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time.